Hey warriors, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new warrior, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Raven and I'll be taking you all with me on my journey to conquering rheumatoid arthritis. So today we are doing something a little bit different, something out of my norm. This is my first vlog and we are in the gym. Yes, the gym. My first time being in the gym the entire year. So can I have an applause? Okay. I've been out the gym for a whole year. Not because I was lazy, but because I had a traumatic experience after my knee surgery and I was still having pain in other parts of my joints. So what I decided to do was to hit up my good friend Binga, who is a trainer, and I needed him to get me right. So we are here today. So if you see me do a squat wrong, do not judge me. This is a no judge zone. So we're gonna stop all this talking and go work out. So I'll catch you all later.
know she can fly away. Hotter than a fantasy.
Hey warriors, so my workout is complete. Even though my legs feels like noodles, my arms, my glutes, my abs are burning. I feel good, I feel great, I feel energized, I feel accomplished. So if you like what you see, please, your girl is out of breath. If you like what you see and you want to see more of it, make sure you leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell button so you all will be notified every time that I do upload. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you all next week.